Hello, today in the lesson we continue to work with proportion. Let's look at the following example. The ratio of the number A to 1.7/50 is equal to the ratio of the number 5/57 to the number 1 second. Notice that in this ratio, I has fractional numbers, but even if we see fractional numbers, our algorithm doesn't change. We know how to find the unknown number in a proportion, so I'm writing it down. And multiplying by 1.5 equals 5/57 times 1.7/50. I use the same algorithm and multiply by 1, 2 equals 5/57 times 1/7/50. If you multiply 1 second times A and 1/7/50 times 5/57, you will not change your answer. Solving our proportion, we find the value of A. Times 1, 2 equals 5/57 times 1.7/50. You and I can, for this 5/57 we multiply. 1/7/50 must necessarily be converted to an improper fraction. 1 multiplied by 50 and plus 7. The result is 57/50. As a result, we can see that we can divide 57 and 57 in the numerator and in the denominator by 57, in order not to work with large numbers. 5 and 50 we can divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 50 divided by 5 is 10. 8 times 1 times 1 times 2 equals 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 10 is 10. So we have an easier equation. And from that equation we can find AI equals 1/10 divided by 1 second. To divide a fraction by a fraction, we need to flip the second fraction and change the division sign to multiplication. 1/10 to multiply by the first 2. 1 times 2 is 2 and 10 times 1 is 10. 2/10 can be reduced. 2 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. The result is 1/5. Another example. Divide by 1/5/31 equals 7/3/4. Divide by 1/3. And in this example, we will use a different notation. We have talked about how the algorithm is the same. It's just the notation that changes. So it's equal to 1.5/31 multiplied by 7.3/4 and divide that product by 1/3. Calculate equals. We have two mixed numbers in the numerator, so I convert to an improper fraction. 1 times 31 plus 5 would be 36/31. Multiply. 7.3/4. 7 times 4. 28 and plus 3 would be 31. 31/4. I leave 1/3 in the denominator. I'm working on the numerator. See that I can divide 31 and 31 by 31. 1. 36 and 4 I can also divide by 4. 1, 9. The result is equal 9 times 1. That's 9. And the denominator will be 1. So that leaves only 9 in the numerator. Once again, 9 times 1 is 9. And in the denominator, 1 times 1. I can leave out the 1. That leaves 9 in the numerator. 9 divided by 1/3 is 9 multiplied by the first 3 equals 20. 7. You use the same algorithm to solve the proportions. You can use the record at your discretion as you like.
Next time, we will continue to consider examples with proportions. For today, our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye. See you again.